Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust side mirrors in an Audi A3. Proper mirror adjustment is crucial for safe driving, helping you minimize blind spots and improve overall visibility. We'll go through a simple, three-step process to ensure your mirrors are set up perfectly for your driving position. This quick adjustment can make a significant difference in your awareness on the road, especially when changing lanes or parking. Now, let's move on to the right-hand side mirror. Just like with the left, you'll use the control knob to select it. Once selected, carefully adjust the mirror outward until you can just barely see the rear quarter panel of your Audi A3. This positioning helps to extend your field of vision significantly, reducing the area where other vehicles might be hidden from view. Remember to keep the horizon line centered for optimal perspective. To further minimize blind spots, try this advanced technique. Lean your head towards the driver's side window, almost touching it. Then, adjust your left mirror outward until the side of your car is no longer visible. This expands your view of the lane beside you. Repeat this exact process for the passenger side mirror, leaning towards the center of the car. This method significantly reduces the areas where other vehicles can hide. After adjusting both mirrors, take a moment to confirm your settings. Sit upright in your normal driving position and ensure you have a broad view of the lanes next to you. When a car passes you, it should transition smoothly from your rearview mirror to your side mirror and then into your peripheral vision. Always remember to perform a quick head check before making any lane changes, even with perfectly adjusted mirrors, for maximum safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.